All right, 6:30. I got up and out of that shelter pretty quick. I stayed in the shelter last night because it was going to pour, and it did. Middle of the night, it was coming down. Wasn't too bad. Didn't have an air mattress, so that was a little hard. I wanted to get up and out of there before I think it was full crowd at the shelter. So wanted to get moving. I'll come up here and I'll make my coffee somewhere along the trail here. I'm allergic to something out here. Something out here has got me having a hard time to breathe them. So I don't know. We'll see. Cool. We got like less than 10 miles, so we keep moving. So I hiked up out of that shelter a couple miles before I made my coffee. Found a nice spot that I can, have my little coffee deal. A lot of people at the shelter. I just kind of didn't feel like busting out all my stuff while I was there. So I figured I'd get some blood flowing, knocked out a couple miles, and then made my breakfast and my coffee. Yeah, got like 7 miles left. And that's it. Yeah, so this is what it is. Just a walk through the PA woods. A lot of rocks that just stick out from nowhere, but man, looks like a smooth trail. Not so bad. I love it, man. Just a walk in the PA woods. I'm looking and I think these bushes that are over here, like this one right here, I think those are like blueberries or huckleberries. So I think those will be blooming here, probably July-ish. I remember going to pick those with my old man, my aunt's uncle out in Hazleton. But it reminds me of this. Well, I'm probably approaching my last mile. My last mile on the trail for this trip. I don't know if I'm quite there, but I'm getting there. It's been raining for a good hour or so, ever since I won shelter. But man, I'm at a spot where I kind of like tired, but I don't really want it to end. I wish I could go a little further, because I'm coming down with like it's gonna be over. But I think 37 miles is probably about the good spot. 3 days. That's about right. That's about right. I'll say 40 is probably good for a 3-day trip. Because it's only noon. I mean, it's not even noon, and I'm at the end here. And I'm just going slow. Last thing I need to do is slip on some of these rocks right here at the end where I'm not paying attention. And it's been really rocky towards this last little section, so I don't want to hurt myself. And I'm just moseying. You know what I mean? Alrighty. I'm going to put this phone down. I got another rocky section coming up, so cool. Talk to you.